Hi everyone, I am Golden Yashwini from Rogne College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari district. I am here to present use of computers and IT in management control. On completion of this video, students will be able to explain why computer is necessary in management control, and they can also explain use of computers and IT in management control are important in organization. First of all, we need to know the use of computers and IT in management control, right? Only with accurate and timely information can a manager monitor progress towards their goal and turn plans into reality. So, information system enables manager to control how they do business. So, the computer plays a vital part in the control of business operation. So information itself is a valuable asset one, right? So that needs to be carefully managed and protected. So in the use of computers in management control, we have first one is sales focused and control. So the computer can prepare an estimate of future sales called sales forecast from sales data. So it can be programmed to read and calculate huge historical sales data. The marketing department can be make predictions about business cycle which are useful in planning advertising, campaign, stock retailers, tooling up assembly line and contracting with suppliers. Then the next one is payroll. So computer can process a firm's payroll. It can be programmed to read payroll record, calculate earnings, deductions, and withholdings, and print out paychecks. So, computerized payroll systems can handle hourly or salaried payroll and commission payments. So then the next one is business management. The computer can provide report and data for the management. So inventory sales analysis and credit analysis can be calculated. Then accounting. A comprehensive accounting system can be put one of the computer by using electronically stored ledgers in the machine. So the computer can print out customer billing, taxes, report, profit and loss statements. So balance sheet and other financial information recorded internally and externally. Then personal management information. So computer can provide the management with data and the composition of its personnel. So it can be print out the information on job classification and personal capabilities and can list the employees by department, by salary schedule or by both. So cost accounting. So cost accounting, the computer can print out an analysis of production cost. It can be programmed to perform routing of cost accounting task with budgeted hourly cost on individual machine rates and overhead figures. Then the last one is manufacturing information control. So the computer is used in the manufacture and production of goods. It can provide ordering, warehousing, and cost data based on odd numbers or bill leading. Okay, so the computer can schedule work for an assembly line based upon labor available by shift. So it can print out a list of equipment and a list of equipment and material needs for the line for a given day and predict output. So the saved information in the machine can then report the number and the unity produced and provide follow for the cost data. Then management information system. So management information system, that is nothing but it is used for decision making in the various functional areas of business. So MIS is a new technique, okay, so which has brought with increased accuracy and speed to the management. right? So IT in management means nowadays the management needs more advanced technology for solving its basic requirements. That's why we are using management information system. It is the information technology which is explored for its maximum usage in the management activities such as planning, organizing and control. And also most of the organization have confidential and sensitive information that they do not want to become general knowledge. Okay, so information technology plays a vital role in controlling and safeguarding such information. In that we are using management information system. Okay, so it is a planned system of collecting, storing and disseminating data in the form of information needed to carry out the function of management. So management information system is of information technology which is explored for its maximum usage in management activities. Quiz questions. So which of the following is not a general principle for output design? So the distribution of computer outputs must be sufficient to assist all relevant users. The second option is the computer output should be designed with automated tools. Then the third one is the computer outputs must be acceptable to the system user. Then the fourth one is computer output should be simple to read and interpret. Then the last one is the timing of computer output is important. Output information must reach recipient while the information is pertinent to transactions or decisions. Okay, find out the answer and thank you. Thanks for listening.